Okay, so E20 series self-balancing vehicle. At the bottom it says, enjoy greater freedom, which seems appropriate lately. So we're going to unbox this and have a look. So let me back off just a little bit, and we will go ahead and start ripping and tearing into this thing. I guess it might be better to have a knife. So let's cut some of this plastic off. Cut these straps on the side. I must say they did a good job of packing this. Better than I was expecting. Go ahead and get this out of there. Open up the two little flaps. Let's see what we have for case candy. Looks like we have a manual. We have our charging cable. We have a knife. Oh, that's mine. Pull out all this detritus here. Here we have our charger. We'll go ahead and put those down here, maybe. And then we should be able to pull this guy out. Put him right here. Take the bag off, nothing else in the box. Go ahead and get rid of this. There's our foot pedals. And there you have it. This would be the InMotion E20 electric unicycle. So now it's time to charge it up. And maybe if I'm feeling really generous, I'll let you guys watch me try to kill myself on this thing. So, positive so far, looks good. I'll see you in a while after this thing is fully charged.